Welcome to Christy's Corner. Today we're going to learn how to teach someone to tie a bow or to tie their shoe. I like to work with this wire ribbon. I buy it on a spool like this. You can get it at any fabric store, and I usually get 2 lengths out of it. Very helpful. So I usually cut it 36 plus another 8 or 10 inches. So it's about 40 inches long, 42 inches long. Nice and long, helps the learning process. So the first step is learning, put it on their knee, not on their shoe or their leg. Can be their leg or your leg, but not down low, up high where they can see. So the first step is to bring it up tall, make an X, the letter X, hold it in the middle, take one string and put it through. And then pull. And just work on that skill until they've mastered that. When they've mastered that skill, then we go to step 2. And step 2 is making a loop. So as you can see, when you make a loop, it stays in place. It doesn't flop over. That's why the wire ribbon is so great. So they can actually see what they're doing and it stays in place. Now this hand becomes the holder hand. That's very important. His job is done. He's just going to sit there holding that loop. With the other hand, you go away from the body towards the knee, out like and around, and now you can see you've made a hole. So you can put your finger through it, show the student, here's your hole. Take their thumb, put it on the ribbon, and push it through that hole, like that. Now, here's an opportunity to say, these are the loops, these are the strings. You pull the loops. How many times have they pulled the string and all their hard work vanished? So here, because it's wire ribbon, everything stays where it is, where we put it, and now they can pull the strings, the loops, sorry. Pull the loops, and they're all set. And the strings stay down. A little big, but that's okay. They're learning, they're honing in on their skills, they're mastering their technique and moving on step to step. After they've mastered this and learned how to tie with the wire ribbon, then I like to go to something like this, a floppy ribbon like this. This is much harder. When you're making a loop here, it falls over. So now that they have mastered their skills, they can work on this. And sometimes we go to this ribbon too, Rograin ribbon again, floppy, long, same thing. Sometimes I bypass that step. And then then we go to shoelaces. And in my OT practice, I have these color-coded. So one side is yellow, one side is black. It helps the child or student figure that out. Again, on the leg, and do the whole thing. X through, loop, around, push through. And this is closer to real sneaker shoelaces. And then they've perfected their technique. Then they're ready to go on to sneakers. So thank you. I hope you learned something and you can help lots of students. I use this in my practice and it's been very successful. Been able to help lots of students learn to tie their shoe. And check out my other videos on Christy's Corner on YouTube. Thank you. Until the next time.